You want to sit for a chemistry exam and you don't know this. Definitely you are not ready. So let's check this question. Give the empirical formula of a compound containing 92.26% carbon and hydrogen. Whenever you are doing empirical formula, I want you to note that a compound equals to 100%. Compound equals to 100%. So you now split the percentages between the elements that you have. Now, for example, here we have carbon and hydrogen, and they said carbon is 92.26, right? So what will be hydrogen? For us to get the percentage of hydrogen here, we are going to say hydrogen equals to 100% minus 92.26%. Hydrogen will be 7.74%. Now you now make a table like this for you to do that. So you have carbon. So you have carbon, then you have hydrogen. We have 92.26, then we have 7.74. Now the next thing is that you divide by molar mass, the molar mass of each element. Now, molar mass of carbon is 12. That means we are going to have 92.26 divided by 12. Then we have 7.74 divided by 1. So by the time you do this, we have 7.68. Then this one divided by 1 will give us 7.74. So the next thing you are going to do is that you divide by smallest, 7.68 divided by 7.68. Then we have 7.74 divided by 7.68. So by the time you do that, you are going to have 1 here. So we also have 1 here, also 1.007. So that means we have 1 carbon and hydrogen is also equals to 1. So if you want to write the empirical formula now, you put all the carbon and hydrogen with their number. So we have carbon, hydrogen, 1, 1. But since you don't have to show 1, 1, of course, when you write carbon, we already know that you have just 1, or else you have more than just 1. Then you can now indicate that you have 2 or you have 3. You get that now? So empirical formula for this one is equals to CH, which is option A. So if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section.